You're either gonna open the door or the door's coming down. It's going to. If you don't open the door's coming down. Because you won't open the door.
Cindy, I'm gonna use this and open up your door.
Put her hands on me, and she's calling me a because I go to my boyfriend's house every week.
On March 5th, 2025, Wooddale officers were dispatched after a neighbor reported a loud argument with potential of physical violence. When Wooddale officers reached the home, the door opened to chaos. Fresh red marks on the victim's face, a torn-up living room behind them. What started as a simple welfare check instantly became a domestic battery investigation.
Hey, can someone let us in, please?
You're out of my house, please. I'm literally leaving, and that's why you're mad. Because God forbid I know, and if she locks me out of this house right now, she's locking me out of the house.
What do you want me to do?
And y'all don't ever do nothing. She literally is trying to lock me out of the house. So, what the like, she literally just locked the door, and she put her hands on me, and she's calling me a because I go to my boyfriend's house every week. No, because I have to get ready to leave, and she's literally
Cindy,
mad.
You have to let us handle the situation.
I'm telling y'all what's happening, though, and y'all never listen to me, and then you'll be like, oh, we're going to arrest her, and then you never arrest her because she says, oh, I didn't hit her.
You need to open the door.
And y'all leave her every fucking time. It's the same shit.
Close your eyes. Where did she slap you? Show me.
Right on my face. I literally have a picture of my nose bleeding.
Close your eyes.
On this side of my face.
How old are you?
I'm 19. And I literally
Cindy,
just
open the
took a
door.
picture of my nose bleeding because she hit me.
Says she's not opening the door.
Cindy, open the door.
I came home from Target with my friend. She's like, oh, I'm drunk. And I'm like, okay, well, I'm going to go to Leo's house. And I go to Leo's house every weekend. And she's all like, you're a whore. You're a whore. Blah, blah, blah. And she tells me I'm a every day.
1 second, take a pause. If you don't mind me asking, when did you come back?
I literally just came back. This all just happened right now.
Cindy, you're either gonna open the door or the door's coming down. It's going to. If you don't open the door's coming down. Because you won't open the door.
Cindy, I'm gonna use this and open up your door. Open the damn door now. I will kick down that door with this. Cindy, when are these games gonna stop?
You know what? You guys are wrong. You guys are wrong.
I'm wrong.
You're wrong.
Okay.
Tiffany
the
was
hell
out
is
with a Martina, and I'm supposed to be the one, right? I'm supposed to be the one that puts up with this shit? Are you kidding me? Are you guys gonna arrest me because of this shit?
I want to know what's going on. Did I say you're under arrest?
No, but
There you go.
you're so familiar. I remember you.
Yeah.
I remember you.
I've dealt with you and
And you
Jason
guys-
for a long time.
Yeah, in my heart, I swear to God, I help this kid, I help him. Nobody gives a f about me.
All right, I'm going to ask you again. What the hell happened tonight?
You control me on her.
She was out with Martina. She had my dog, so I told her to take my dog home. And then when she comes home, she's drinking. She's the one that's snapping on me.
Anyone, I got one more plate.
She's the one that's snapping on me.
I really don't think she's been drinking.
Oh, no?
Boy Robert, 33616.
Oh, my God.
My face was right next to hers. I couldn't even smell anything.
She's got booze. Her and Martina both.
All right, I'm 4 feet away from you. Why the hell are you yelling at me?
Because I've been here before.
You've been here before.
With you.
Okay.
If I get arrested tonight, I'm gonna be like, wow.
Okay.
You guys don't understand the shit I've been through with this kid. She's out with Martina. Martina is in the park. They got my dog, so I tell her to bring my dog home.
Mm-hmm. I'm listening.
She's been drinking. The whole time I bought her whiskey, I bought her booze at I bought Tiffany booze at Walmart
I need
today.
you to really stop it. That's really agitating me.
Then you know what? Do what you gotta do, because I already know who you
Okay,
are.
we're not.
I'm gonna
going
sit
in the
down
house.
in my...
No, we're gonna.
You're gonna tell me I'm gonna sit down, please.
Get over here. Stop. All right? You're not going anywhere. We're not playing these goddamn games anymore. You understand me?
Can I sit back down?
No,
I need to
you're
sit
staying
down.
here now.
I wanted to sit down. That's all I wanted to do was sit down.
She's not cooperating. Handcuffs. Come on.
What are you gonna do?
No, you're not cooperating. I'm not playing these
doing
games.
that. I swear to God, I'm not doing that. I'll sit down right here on my floor. Please don't do this to me again.
We're gonna put my officers in danger because you're not playing games.
6 from a movie at Naval Grocery. Looking at cameras.
You're not playing our games, you're playing your own.
I'm not doing that, you guys. I swear.
Cindy, where's your shoes, honey? Something you can slip on easily.
I remember the bird.
How can you forget it?
That's gonna arrest me, man. Because I got no good. I'm
Is
just.
Jason just minding his business in his room?
Yeah,
I
he
haven't
is.
seen him.
Was he here for any of this?
I haven't made a chance to go upstairs. You got her? You got her?
Hi, babe.
Am I getting arrested?
You want the
I
shoes?
remember you too.
No, you don't. Here, throw your shoes
Yeah,
on.
I do.
Put your shoes on. Put your shoes on.
Jason!
Leave him alone. He ain't got nothing to do with this. He ain't got nothing to do with this.
We'll let him talk.
What else?
You guys really, please don't arrest me.
That's another
I
one.
swear to God.
We tried talking through with you and you weren't cooperating, so now this is where we're at.
Please. I'll go away. Don't arrest me, man. I can't get arrested. Don't do this shit to me again.
643. It's unrelated, but
Tiffany don't want me arrested either. Yeah, look at the booze I bought.
It's not my call. I'm not the primary officer on this anymore.
Who is? Can I?
I can tell you right now that you're being detained because you weren't listening and cooperating.
I know I'm always so crazy. He ain't got nothing to do with it.
Well, they still need to talk to
This
them.
girl, you know what? Can you listen to me? I won't mess with you.
We were trying to listen to you.
She's so difficult. She ran away. She was on the fucking Americas, whatever you call it, the runaway people. She came back a whole year later. She called me, and I was there for her. But Martina, they've been on.
Is Jason in the basement? Does he stay in the basement still?
You know what? He's afraid of you guys.
I know that.
Don't just leave him alone. He's not bothering nobody. Just leave him alone. He's got nothing against nothing. Just leave him alone. Get out of my basement. You ain't got no right walking through my house. Just leave him alone. Just get her out of my life. Get her out of my life. Can I shut my porch light off?
Let's know
I want my light off.
why.
Because I don't want everybody looking. Just get me out of my house. Just get her.
You need to calm down.
Just get me out of my... Let's just go.
I know he's in the house.
Just let's go. You know what? He's not doing nobody's any harm.
Coming up.
Jason, don't worry about nobody. This is the last time. You understand? This is the last time I want to see Tiffany again. I don't want to see her again.
Well,
She got to go. She got to get out of my life.
well then you gotta start
She ain't
the
nothing but a
eviction.
nigger loving
Okay.
fucking whore. Mexican fucking push me.
I'm not
Just take
pushing
me
you.
away already. You know what? Just take me the away already. But I don't want her in my life. She's got to go. Can I sit down on my floor? I won't bother nobody.
No, we're not sitting down.
I want to sit down. I
We're
want to
standing
sit
right
down.
now.
Please
We're
just...
standing right now.
Why?
Because
Because
we
you
tried-
get to do what you want to
No,
do.
because we tried working with you before and you weren't listening, so now this is where we're at.
2 windows, we're going to have Cindy and Jason 95, 1 for the 99.
Jason, don't worry about nobody.
He's 99. Times 2.
Okay.
This is the last time.
A police code 99 often signifies a high-priority emergency where an officer needs immediate assistance and all available units should respond. In this case, the suspect in question that's in the basement has 2 active warrants.
I wanted? Yeah, you are.
You got
How
one
did I make it up?
Yeah.
You got 2 warrants.
All right, get her out first. We'll deal with them. Sorry, dude, you got warrants, bro. But you didn't hear anything or see anything?
He said they were arguing and he said he didn't know.
Okay.
He should be, if there's no local, you should just...
Yeah. We're just gonna verify to see
I'm moving.
if they're extraditable, but
We're going to have Cindy and Jason 95, 1 for the 99, Cindy for the investigator. I got it.
No.
How you been, dude? Haven't seen you in a while.
Dude, you're wanted. What do you want us to do, man? Come on. You're going to be in and out, all right? You're not going to county? Dude, why do you keep moving?
Can I please have him off?
No, absolutely not. Stand still.
Oh, fuck.
If they're not extraditable, we'll take them off and we'll say adios. But right now you're trying to
These are your
dodge us by
house keys here,
hiding,
right?
so.
All right, let's go.
No, just wait.
Wait here.
I want to make sure she's already out of the house, and then we don't want to just pile one after the other.
Yeah.
So. Especially because,
No congo line.
yeah. So here, just bring them over by the stairs here. I want to verify.
I'm gonna go get an addendum and start that with them.
Okay, you got her in the car already?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, we can bring them up.
Okay, I'm gonna leave her. I'm gonna go get my phone.
Yeah. Now let's make sure this doesn't lock on her so she can get back inside.
What will do?
You look super pale, that's why I asked.
We see a police embargo female from out of it. Case for late from the town and our booking. Please proceed.
You can leave that open, she's here. So.
They said that it's just for you not going to court, and that that they could just give you a court thing. And
Let's
that,
make sure they're
that's
verified
the
first.
possible thing, and that you could just have to go to court. So all you have to do is just.
The suspect was taken into custody without further incident and transported to the DuPage County Jail. She now faces charges for domestic battery and resisting a peace officer. The victim received resources and support, and the case will move forward through the courts. Another reminder of how quickly a simple welfare check can turn into a full arrest, and why officers never know what's waiting behind the next door.